Welcome AMS users. In this short video, we will highlight the updates developed by ALLDATA as part of Release 184. Included in this update are new features and enhancements to the workscreen area and the inspection form. We will start at the top of the workscreen. All in-process notifications are now displayed prominently at the top of the page. The notifications displayed may include authorization required, check margins, and inspections to be completed. You can access a notification by clicking on the right of the notification you want to see. New to this update is the Work Area Display Settings window, which allows you to customize how the tax and discount columns are displayed on the work screen only. To access the new settings, click on the gear icon on the top left of the column header bar. The Work Area Display Settings box will open. You now have the ability to display line totals with or without tax. If turned on, the line item and group totals will be shown with tax included. If turned off, they will display without tax included. You also have the ability to show or not show the tax column. If turned on, the tax column will show on screen. If turned off, the tax column will be hidden. You can display tax values as either a percent or a dollar amount. Finally, you have the ability to show or not show the discount column. If turned on, the discount column will show on screen. If turned off, the discount column will be hidden. Please note, these display options do not change the customer's tax status or your printing output options. Moving down to the work grid, the blue plus button that was previously located on the right side of the job line has been replaced by the plus item button on the left side of the job line. The same options that appeared under the blue plus button now appear under the plus item button. This is where you will add line items, including parts, labor, and catalog items to an existing job. The Move Job arrows are now more prominently displayed and easier to use. Clicking the arrows will move the entire job up or down in the work grid. You can also still drag and drop line items from one job to another. Next, clicking the line code on the left side of a line item will open that line item's Quick Edit box. The Quick Edit box has been updated to easily see the part information, fields, and action buttons for this item. When the sell price is below your preset markup value, the markup can be applied to the part by clicking the new Apply Markup button. At the right side of the work grid, on both the job line and each line item, you will see three dots. We refer to this new feature as action dots. Clicking the action dots will provide a list of options. If you click on the action dots on the job line, you will have options like clone, defer, delete, and more. If you click on the action dots on a single line item, you will have options like return, add core, and delete. The last update to the work screen is the button bar. The button bar has been updated with easier to read buttons, and the order of the buttons has changed slightly. The split button is now located to the right of the invoice button. Please remember the split button should only be used for intershop invoices. The print, discounts, and order receive buttons have been separated to the right and changed to stand out more. Also included in this release is the updated inspection form. Please note you are no longer required to enter a predefined symptom with health check in order to create the inspection form. The inspection form will be generated once you click the Estimate or Create RO buttons. The new form is now double-sided with the technician checklist on the front and sections on the back for the technician, R&R, and builder's written recommendations. Also note, the form can be printed on letter or legal-size paper if you prefer more space for notes. If you have any questions about these new features or any other support questions, please contact the AMS support team at 833-850-4357.